Welcome to our new series called Bite-Size Audiovisual Trainings, where we deliver helpful data entry tips in short, easy-to-use learning modules. Today's topic is on household data sharing. For those of you who work on households of 2 or more, household data sharing is a great way to boost your data completeness and save time on entering the same value for multiple people. In ServicePoint, a household is a general term that can include one person or up to any number of people in a group. For certain groups, especially families, members in the same household may have some matching data. Let's take client location, for example. A group of people who enter a program together and are served at the same location will have the same answer to the client location question. Household data sharing can help you save a few clicks, but only works for members of the same household. In other words, participants in the same household bucket. In the entry, there is a button to access the special assessment with a limited set of questions. Household data sharing gives you the power to enter a value once and save that response for multiple people. Let's see a demo in the training site. Here we are inside the entry in the Head of Households record. Before you open household data sharing, we recommend completing the Head of Households assessment first, answering all the applicable questions. This sets up a nice transition that you'll see in the next part. Once you've completed for the Head of Household, click Add Household Data, the button between the two visibility locks. In this slow-mo view, you can see that this saves the data automatically and opens household data sharing in a pop-up window. As you can see here, the one-of-a-kind assessment is marked with a bright yellow bar. Some of the available questions include residence prior, length of homelessness, client location, and the very important housing move-in date. Starting at the top, the first step is to check the household members who will share these responses. Next, we'll take a look at the questions. If you completed the Head of Households assessment earlier, some of the questions here may already be filled in. Enter any other shared data values only for questions that apply to your program. When you click Save and Exit, all the values will save into the assessments of the household members that you checked. Be mindful when updating data elements. Only update what is applicable to the household and its members. If you're not sure all the responses are the same, it's best to work on each assessment individually. This gives you more control and avoids the risk of adding incorrect values into multiple assessments. After saving the shared data, the next important step is to go into each person's assessment and complete the remaining questions. Review and update as needed. The easiest way to switch from one household member to the next is to click the names in the household members list. Once you have reviewed and completed for all household members, click Save and Exit. Nice work! To wrap things up, we've covered how to use household data sharing for households of 2 or more. This is an optional step, available only in the entry and the exit. Always be mindful of your agency's workflow and consider this as another tool in your toolkit to help you achieve accurate and complete data. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to your local administrator.